meghalayapost.news.
Pan punsuk ya kirkom ajing hikai ki baidei bat kajing pule ya ka science khamtam ya kimet beneng ki badon haka hau nakalyang ka Bharti Airtel Foundation kalayo ban seng sendon da ka Astronomy Club hapo ka Grace Foundation Secondary School lum soping ka baderu kasin ka beningkong bandon kum ka ni ka club hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Ya kanya ke Astronomy Club la pelaj pajba haka khat pratrik bulber aja absan daga kong senrem BMC Bhoirembong Block kum ka kongsan haka balai don langru urahul Chatterjee Space Science Expert uba isnehing MDC Umroi Constituency ba manbha khongla Project Coordinator Bharti Airtel Foundation ka kong Oltrisha Wajri Administrator ka Grace Foundation Secondary School lum soping dan bat kwi kino hikai kikmi pa bat kina school hakane ka jing pelaj pajba ikati ka club ka ban ai jing hikai syapang ka jing pule hau bat kimet beneng nakaliang ka Bharti Airtel Foundation haka jing trelang bat ka Shillong Science Center nehu kila itiru ya ka kor kmi met beneng lane ka teleskop cha ka club ka balapun muja skadei ya ki khna school jong ka Grace Foundation Secondary School bat kiwi ki school ba marjan banyo banta ban pej dalak khmat ya ki met beneng ba per nakaliang ka Bharti Airtel Foundation kalapun bana bakum ka foundation ka bala kenjo menta syaka absan sinem ka jing sakri paiba kadon ya ka jing terang bantau kum ka club sa hakisantli ki school Hariboi district ban penslur ki samna pule ban wat jing start syapang ki met beneng ka science nalor kiwi ki lat jing pule
Wangi pule ya kita ki met beneng ki klor ki satellite bat ya ki klor benai bat ya ki benta jung ki met beneng baro kalong tang ha ka pule ya kawan pule ya ki met beneng kam desu tang ka theory re practical ru pelayo ya kawan pe phin sayo un pe hadin gane ka pro hadin gane ka jingkran jungi ha gane ka jarmit ka ai ka bunga kwa banong kalong ba phi kum ki hep ke barit ki khna school Pihaban shim megane kabu kaba phin penun kam hok eka ngilong ki badan bok shikade banginyo ya kane kasin jam nak betta kane ka program kane ka janmit banginyo on pli ya kane ka Astronomy Club ka banginyo first time haka jela ka jungi bat kham tam ngilong ki badan bok banginyo hakan ka snong ka bi ka jungi kumtang kintu pi ki hep ki barit baro ba phin shim khia ban phin shim serious ya kana kam nama kadai ka way na ka subject ka badon kam na ka banta ka jongphi we pi we ka shong ha ka jingmut ka prakhat ka jongphi ba phin shim me kana ka kabu ka bangi men suang ngim ju yo phi priyo ya kana kabu ka badon kam ka ban phin badon kam hok ne ka ba phi sukwa ban badon kam ka shong ha ka kiti ka jongphi ki heb bare kumta nakalang junga kum MDC Jongphi hakane khimat ka mga kwa banong kalong shim bat penun kam hok ya kane ka benta ka bukhra ai khubli ya ka Bharti Foundation ki balayarap ya ka ban wanra ya kane ka subject ka bukhra na ka benta ka school ko bai ki jongi bat nam ta ka snong ka thau bat nam ta ka jila hi bro goi bangi yo kum kane galat ya ka ban pule ya kita ki met beneng ya ka ban pule ka sahid beneng bat eki benta ki badon shaka hau kaba UAP wen prinjunga ju ping inyo ikane ka kabuk sia.
I can think about the last 35 years. This is all I've been doing, traveling to different places across Meghalaya and talking to children like you, particularly on events, solar events, celestial events, let's say, whenever there is a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, or recently when there was this alignment of the different planets. I'm there everywhere, trying to get young boys and girls excited about science, looking up at the sky and feeling the joy of this enormous thing. And why I love this so much is anyone who gets into astronomy and astrophysics has this humbling effect. Astronomy and astrophysics brings a very humbling effect on the person. The moment you realize how big everything is and how tiny you are, that ego just vanishes. And it's a very, very humbling experience. And that is when you absolutely fall in love with what you see around you. And particularly for you children, you are so lucky because you stay outside the city and the skies are so much clearer here almost every day. If it is not cloudy, you can see it so clearly. You should just be lying down on the grass and looking up at the sky, and if there are no city lights or any other lights around you, switch off the home lights and everything and just stare up at the sky, and you should be able to see even the Milky Way naked eyes from this place. This is something we cannot do from Shillong. The skies are not that clear all the time. So make the most of this experience. Some 3 or 4 boys and girls have already seen Jupiter and 3 of its Galilean moons just now, and I hope to be able to show it to all of you today.
Stars, the satellites, the planets. Okay, now you have, what do you have now? An instrument which is called as the telescope. Right in your school. You can use it anytime. During the night, I think. Only during the night. So I don't know whether your parents will allow you to come during the night, but I guess if they know the benefits, the importance about what you're going to learn by just using this instrument in viewing all the celestial bodies. So planets and the moons you can see. Now before you read only in your textbook. But now you can see in reality how do the planets look like. Okay? Before we used to say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. We sing that song when we were small. Why am teaching right? Ngishuruai. Mentah pedeng habang ngiruai ru ngindal apet igi dakate ke teleskop siya. Tisha lor beneng ngin kamyo I bhag ngin kilong kumno taki klur. Okay? So, and I'm so proud of Bharti Foundation because what I have just learned when I entered, that this is the first astronomy club in the state. No? In the state. And your school has been chosen to have this first astronomy club. In this club, we have students have to be member of the club, right? So I encourage you students to please join this club. Okay? They can join from any other schools. From other schools, from other schools you can come, give your names, be member of the club, be active. Okay? You will learn.
Hakani ka por nga kwa ban I play ka education department kabala ailat mas ngo ba kala ailat yang ikom kinong pinya sa school bangin shim ya kan kabu hakabangin la ban wanra ikom kini ki AKA ki jing puli ki ba kambanya ba omde tang kina ki ban puli ba ki kod entre kina ru ban sakhi de la jong ki khamat kanu kata ka jingdon jing ta ki mat beneng hati ha po sahib beneng te ngikirmen ba kani ka jing ailat jong education department ya ka Bharti Airtel Foundation bakan wan hangni hapo ka jela ka jongi kanlong ka jigar kuna ka punta ka jela ka jongi burok kawai ka jing launch jong kani ka astronomy club ha kani ka school ka jongi mentasi ka deling ba ka jing lam khat jong ka Bharti Airtel Foundation ha ka ba kana ayang kani ka lat ka bangin la bangin yo new telescope but udah telescope ubaning kong ubak kita lawan cara ni ke jelajah ke state Meghalaya. Te unjuru hakani ke por nilayo ban clearu ya ke astronomy club hakaba ngikhat ni weru ya ki kena school ki kena college ki kena samla ke jongi ba kin join ya ke astronomy club but kena ro bakin puli khamnya bakin sakhi shushu ya kata ke astrophysics tani kata ke jing puli ya ki kinja ki ba dan hasait beneng ngilong ki ba don bok ha ka bangila yo ya ki experts ki ba wan po science center but to kani ki real start ki real shampang ki balala banwan bakin pin I yangi bakin pin kedaw yangi bakin batai yangi shaphang kata ke jingya jong kata ke met beneng kata ki met beneng ki ban hasait beneng kita pen iri ni uno utau benai uno kino kita keluar but ngina la ro ban pet ya Uranus hagan ni kasi but kum juru ni lai iru ya kita ki artificial satellites ke makiki on ngishim ba kalong ka jingkar ku ka bakraw ya gani ka jilla ka jangi kamtam ya ka Ribhoy district Brockway but kerpang ya ka buhay bang block ba school ki bran hakin kithan namar ba ngisong tho ba kalong ka ba bang kum kinong hikay habang ngiron po class habang ipin hikay ki khna ni pulian na kon kalong ka ba shiru kom ka sup habang ngi ang utaw de uta uniu de uta kidan ka tajat kita ki met beneng hende ki khna ba pli ki shu ang lingo kim song tho kim tip kina ka gran ayu hende kila shu assume ba oh I think it's like that it's like this kila chi kum kino hingkay ngi on kila chi yang play na po ki internet search from the Google pet na kidur hende ba pli ki shu hun da ka ba ki kishu pule da ka ba kishu yo snow ba kum ta terter ndai hakani ka sngi hakani ka klamat ngilong ki bangi la sngi na snow long kita ki bedembak bangi la yo shisha bangin saki ya uta teleskop ni kita ka kor pet kita ki met beneng bangi ong ha ka ba bleng so thu ba kalong shisha kumta hawat ngimla ban ong ba ngi tip hi ba ngimla ban ong ba kat ka badan hampe ngila ban ilut di baro henry kani nga small ba kan kani mentang nga small ba ka amen sim but kan pensol tho yaki kana hakanu kurkom bakin pursue ni bakin puli bakin tip khamnya shpang ka science kham tam shpang kani ka kam man puli yaki ni ki met benang ki benang pe po side benang ngala sakhi dir ki khmat la jong hakani kasi ba ngiyo iba ki met benang ki bayat don kita ki donru kita ki artificial satellites ki bayat stand donru kita ki hakapor ka basap ikas ngi i ya uta we met beneng haba kham slam kapor ngi kham isi ya we kan jamet beneng de kalong sha ke ka ba penlingo dang ni perkhan de haba ngi yo i ba ngi sakhi ni song tho ba kalong ke ka jingmaya ka bo blay ho ay ulabo henry kalong ke ka ba penlong yang i bangin la bangin song tho khamba
meghalayapost.news